Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to delete a profile on Disney Plus, or if you want to delete your Disney Plus account, then this video is for you. Here is the step-by-step guide. So step 1 is from your primary profile's homepage, tap or click your character in the top upper right corner. Then select edit profile on the resulting drop-down menu. Then click on the profile you want to delete. Scroll down and select the blue delete profile button, then confirm your decision. So you can find this type of delete button here. You have to scroll at the very bottom and you can find the delete profile button here just like this. You have to simply click on it and that's it. You are going to remove a profile with ease. So if you want that once you are logged in, so if you want to get back your account, then you can simply from the primary profiles homepage tap on the click on your profile icon or the character in the upper right corner, then go to edit profiles. On the add profile button, locate on the right side of the resulting page, then choose an icon entering a profile name and click the blue save button at the bottom, very bottom. So that's how you can add Disney Plus account on your profile. So if you are using any browser, then this is tips for you. So if you are using any browser, then here how you can just delete the Disney Plus account. So from the primary profile, you have to follow the same steps. You have to go to your click on your profile icon or the character in the upper right corner, then select accounts on the resulting drop down menu, then select the Disney Plus, the monthly. If it's monthly subscription, then go to monthly or yearly, it's up to you. Then click cancel subscription at the bottom of the next page. So here you can find it will look like just this. Here you can find all of your payment details about current payments, current subscription. Then you can find the cancel subscription button here. Then you will have to give a reason for unsubscribing, then select the red no thanks, then cancel Disney Plus button to delete your account. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.